I think the last time we were here in St. Joe was 2010. This air show in particular for me is pretty special because I'm from Missouri. It's really awesome for me to be back in my home state and to bring the pride and professionalism the Blue Angels represent.
I maintain the engine on the aircraft. Also, we do fuel systems and the smoke system. When they fly and you see all that smoke going, we're the ones doing it.
So all of our maneuvers are basic maneuvers. We really do them to showcase the capabilities of the aircraft as well as the capabilities of the pilots who fly them. So it's awesome to serve alongside all these awesome men and women who do great things every week to put these jets in the air.
There's a lot of camaraderie. We're like a family, and it's amazing. We're all family working together. It makes the job fun.